I was good, y'all. Welcome back to my 100K challenge. So today I'm gonna be going over my trade setup that I took. I profited about 720 on across two combined accounts. I'm copy trading both of those together. So I'm gonna be going over this 15-minute setup. So these vertical dash lines are my trading hours, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And this solid horizontal rate is my 1 hour high. So I was looking for this 1 hour high to get swept to then push down, but we didn't get that. And so before my 6 a.m. trading hours start, I do mark up 15-minute structure. So if I can just do that right now, I'm gonna start from this high, create a low. We've been bearish pretty much the whole London session. And so we was really just continuing that structure. And then we had this consolidation right up in here. And then we had a push up. So what I did was I took this last buy to sell candle before this push down and all this consolidation, and I just dragged it over. And so you can see right at 6 a.m. we did tap into that zone. So what I do next is I drop down to the 5 minute time frame, and right at what is this? Move this out the way. Right at 6:05, we had this last push up before the next candle at 6:10 came and broke structure. So that next candle was very volatile. So I didn't get a precise entry right after the break of the candle. It was like a little bit below, but it was still cool. So just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm gonna just put it right at the break of the candle. And so like I told y'all in the past video, I don't know if it was the last video or the one before that, I was saying how I have like a rule that if my supply and demand zone isn't like too large and I get the break of the candle pretty close to the top of my supply and demand zone, just for extra safety, I just put the stop loss above it instead of putting it right above the break of the candle. So in some instances, I do apply this, but in most cases, it doesn't be this like perfect of a setup. So, but in this case, both scenarios would have worked. I could have got a 1 to 2 right here, so this would have been about a 10-minute trade or less. But I had my stop loss above the zone, so I had about a 7 points. Well, I had a little bit more than a 7 point stop loss. Like I said, price was volatile, and I didn't get a precise entry after the break of the candle, but I still entered. And then 1 to 2, it was about like down here somewhere from my TP personally. But even then, in about less than 15 minutes, we smashed through TP. And then if I scroll over after it came back and retested this supply area, it dropped even more. My whole session, it just dropped. So I didn't capitalize on all of this profit, but within this little range right here, I captured about $700 on this combine account. So on my first combine right here, I'm back in the positive, but on my second combine, I didn't start them at the same time, so I'm still a little down on my follower account. So I need about, what's that, 400 to get back to break even basically. But I didn't have any profit on this account, so my maximum loss limit is still 48,000. On my leader account, I did have like $1,000 win my first day on this account, and so my loss limit, pushed up a little bit. So I have a little less leeway with this account, but hopefully I don't have to go back and draw down. We up 671 over break even, so I don't plan on risking more than about 500. Try to make 500 try to risk 500 and make about 1,000 on this trade specifically. Price moved so fast, I didn't have time to calculate my stop loss in time, but I only risked about like 300 and some change. If I would have moved my stop loss to 1,000, it would have hit, but that wouldn't have gone along with my trading plan. So I just left my TP at around 700, and we still, capitalize on that. So an extra $300, not really a big deal. If I can't pass the combine over $300, then it just wasn't meant to be altogether. So it is what it is. So yeah, I don't know what day of the challenge this is. I think it's day 4. But yeah, I'm gonna keep updating y'all with my trades every single day that I take. And I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow if we can find a trade on Tuesday. And thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.